blood. It flows through our body and keeps all our organs alive. An average human contains 1.2 to 1.5 gallons or 4.5 to 5.7 liters of blood. It is essential for our life, and now research shows that our blood may help us even further. Continue to watch. Let's go. Blood is transformed into medicine in a new and unique experiment. British researchers have recently succeeded in imitating and controlling one of the body's most advanced processes using a very special method. The body has a unique ability to restore damaged tissue in connection with minor fractures and wounds. Healing is governed by a versatile and well-regulated army of molecules and cells that are mobilized by a blood clot formed between the fractured bones. Now it appears that researchers from the schools of pharmacy and chemical engineering at the University of Nottingham have managed to hack into this process, potentially enabling control over the body's tissue repair in the future. Imitating the body's natural processes. An experiment led the researchers to their new findings after mixing the patient's blood with artificially produced molecules in the laboratory, creating a new so-called biomaterial. The molecule's task was to create an environment that initiates the healing of tissues and bones by mimicking the body's natural processes. How broken bones heal inside the body. A broken bone often means weeks or months in a cast, but once healed, the fracture becomes the strongest part of the bone. This is because that blood flows to the fracture site. When a bone breaks, several blood vessels are severed at the fracture site, forming a blood clot between the broken parts of the bone. Stem cells form new bone tissue. So-called osteogenic stem cells migrate to the site and begin forming new bone tissue. Simultaneously, blood vessels reconnect across the fracture. Blood clot transforms into cartilage. The osteogenic cells create a cartilage-like tissue that, over the course of a few months, absorbs calcium salts and hardens. The bone becomes whole again. After a few months, the fracture is fully healed. During the healing process, fixation helps the newly formed bone tissue become stronger. The researchers have so far successfully repaired bone tissue in animal experiments using this mixture. They hope their discovery could eventually revolutionize the regeneration of damaged human tissue caused by injuries or diseases. Could become an effective healing tool. For years, scientists have attempted to find artificial methods to mimic the body's healing process, but it has proven challenging. The British researchers have therefore chosen to collaborate with biology rather than trying to reconstruct it. The research team calls their discovery exciting, as it provides a simple and safe way to transform blood into an effective healing tool, which is also free and can be obtained in large quantities from the patient themselves. The study has been published in the scientific journal Advanced Materials if you wish to learn further. We hope you found this information interesting. Links to sources are in the video description. Please consider to follow our channel to hear about more amazing discoveries. We wish you a fantastic day.